You'll have love at first sight with the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 35,000 miles on the Grand Cherokee delivers rugged off-road capability, refined luxury, technology that keeps you safe, connected, and entertained, and an iconic spirit of adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, keyless entry, navigation system, four-wheel drive, fog lamps. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.